my personal favorite holiday. It's like Christmas, but you don't have to give anybody a gift. This is the perfect dessert for a Friendsgiving. We're gonna make pecan pie bars, which is like the perfect dessert for Thanksgiving for a big crowd. It's nutty, it's sweet, it's like me. Let's make pecan pie bars. We've just got some regular old AP flour, some powdered sugar, salt, and last but not least, some butter. You just need to pulse this together like 6 or 7 times. Woo! Okay, we're just gonna go into a parchment paper lined baking pan. Spread this out into an even layer, and then we're just gonna pack it down just a little bit. The butter is going to melt when we get into the oven, and that's what's gonna make this kind of a cohesive crust. And that's it. This is gonna go in the oven at good old 350 degrees for 20 minutes. Set a timer. Great! Let's make a pecan pie filling. Brown sugar, melted butter, a little bit of flour, some salt. Gotta have some salt in your baked goods. And 4 eggs. Crucial, gotta have some eggs. Smart cookie, fact of the day, pecans are a native food to the US. So we know that Native Americans ate them a lot because they're such a great source of protein. So if they didn't have any meat, pecans would be a really good source, and they grow all along the Mississippi, and they were actually imported to Louisiana and Georgia, which is now the pecan capital of the US. The word pecan actually comes from a Native American word from the Algonquin tribe that means literally a hard nut to crack. Look at that mess happening. And the noise. We've got almost everything mixed together, but we have a crucial, super crucial ingredient. I'm talking about a regional product that I love. I'm gonna rep, they haven't asked me to do this, Golden Eagle syrup, the pride of Alabama. So we're just gonna do a little half cup, fresh from the jar. We've got our Golden Eagle syrup. Let's mix that in. Oh my God, it's perfect timing. 1 minute. You can't have a pecan pie bar without pecans, so we've got 3 cups of pecans here. Okay, shortbread, perfect. It should be a little bit golden brown. It's fine that it's kind of cracked in the center, totally fine. That's exactly what it's supposed to be like. Now all we're gonna do, while this is warm, we're gonna go ahead and pour this filling right on top. And now we go right back in the oven and we're gonna bake for, check your recipe, another 25 to 30 minutes. I made a batch of these yesterday and they have chilled overnight. It's really important that when you line your pan, you make sure that you've got some overhang parchment so that you can take these out of the pan. Let's cut some bars. Depending on your crowd, you can cut these as big or small as you like. They can be bite-sized, they can be bigger, like brownie size, whatever you want. Perfect. Should I try one? I should probably try one. I think I should probably try one. Yes. I personally love a shortbread, so this is like ideal for me, right? Like this is nutty and sweet, but there's just enough salt in there where it's not gonna like make the fillings in your teeth hurt. It's really good. I mean, that shortbread crust is like super crunchy, and then you've got the really great pecans. Oh, if you are a pecan pie fan, I hope you'll try these. And if you do, please make sure that you let me know. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, ring the bell on YouTube, all of those things. Let me know how it goes. Happy Thanksgiving and happy baking.